How to avoid a stretched ball joint mounting hole in sheet metal track control arms. Press-fit ball joints cannot be replaced more than once because the mounting hole of the steel plate track control arm will be stretched. When replacing the ball joint with a standard press-fit ball joint, the fixation in the control arm is no longer tight and dangerous safety issues will occur. By redesigning the ball joint with a self-locking housing, SIDEM guarantees a secure fit, even after several replacements without having to replace the complete track control arm. The fixation is designed with an external collar that clamps to the collar on the edge of the mounting hole. This fixation method is a SIDEM patented solution guaranteeing a firm and secure fixation without risks.